Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to discuss linear equations in two variables. Here we're going to solve application based problems. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let us see the first question shown on your screen. 5 books and 7 pens together cost 79, whereas 7 books and 5 pens together cost 77. Find the total cost of 1 book and 2 pens. So let the cost of 1 book be X and the cost of 1 pen be Y. Then according to the question, the cost of 5 books will be 5X, cost of 7 pen will be 7Y, and if you add them you must get 79. Similarly, cost of 7 book will be 7X and cost of 5 pens will be 5Y, and if you add them you must get 77. Now if you want to do elimination method, we know that we have to make the coefficients constant. So what we will do is we will multiply this equation by 7. Okay, so you can just simply write here, multiplying both sides by 7, we get this, right? 5 into 7 is 35, 7 into 7 is 49, 79 into 7 is 553. Similarly, you'll have to multiply this by 5. Okay, we're trying to make basically the coefficient of x to be 35. So if you multiply, you get 35. 5 5s are 25. 77 into 5 is 385. Now since the sign is same, we'll be subtracting. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, this is what you get. This will get cancelled. 25 minus 49 is 24. This if you cancel, you get minus 168. Then if you solve, you get y is equal to 7. Then you can substitute y is equal to 7 in equation 3. Now equation 3 is basically this. You can substitute here in equation 1 and equation 2 also, but it is actually better if you substitute in any of these equations. So I've marked this again as equation 3. So if you solve this, you get x is equal to 6. Now cost of 1 book and 2 pens will be x plus 2y. Okay, if you substitute the values of x and y, you will get 20. Therefore the cost of 1 book and 2 pen is simply 20 rupees. Let us do one more question shown on the screen. 23 spoons and 17 forks together cost 1770, while 17 spoons and 23 forks together cost 1830. Find the cost of a spoon and a fork. Fine. So we'll do this. Let the cost of 1 spoon be x. Let the cost of 1 fork be y. So according to the question, 23 spoons and 17 fork, they cost this much, and 17 spoon and 23 forks, they cost this much. Alright, now here we don't need to find the value of x and y. Okay, there is a trick that we can do. What we can do is we can simply add these two equations, because cost of a spoon and a fork will be x plus y. Okay, since we don't have a coefficient at the beginning, we can apply this trick. So this plus this. Okay, now if you add this plus this is 40, this plus this is also 40, and this plus this is this. Also we could do this trick because the coefficients are interchangeable. Okay, that is 23. So for y we have 23, for y here is 17, for x here it is 17. Okay, so here we can take 40 common, and 40 can be transferred this side, so x plus y will be simply 90. Therefore the cost of 1 spoon and 1 fork, which is nothing but x plus y, is equal to rupees 90. It is as simple as that. Let us see one more question shown on the screen. The coach of a team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 13,200. Later he buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 5,900. Find the cost of each bat and ball. Okay, so let the cost of 1 bat be x, and then let the cost of 1 ball be y. So according to the question, 7 bat and 6 balls together they cost this, whereas 3 bats and 5 balls together they cost this. Okay, now again for elimination method, we'll try to make x and x coefficient same. So here it is 7x and 3x. If you take the LCM of 7 and 3, we get 21, so we'll make it 21. So 3 into 7 is 21 and 7 into 3 is 21. So we'll multiply this whole equation by 3 and we'll multiply this whole equation by 7. So if you multiply, this is what you'll get. Okay, then we know that since the sign is same, that is plus plus, we will be subtracting. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get this. If you subtract, this will get cancelled. 35 minus 18 is 17. This minus this is this. Okay, now 17 will go here, so y will be this, which is equal to 100. Substituting y is equal to 100 in equation 3, that is here, you get this. If you solve, you get x is equal to 1800. So cost of one bat is x, which is rupees 1800, and cost of one ball, which is y, will be equal to rupees 100. With this, we conclude our video. Link to more solution to numericals is given in the description. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care everyone.